Imagine if the key to unlocking business success wasn't about burning the midnight oil, but rather about shifting your perspective. What if the real game changer was not in the hours you put in, but in the way you approach challenges and opportunities? This isn't just about working smarter. It's about thinking differently, seeing the unseen, and acting with foresight. The masters of business have a mindset that sets them apart, and today we're diving into that secret world. Are you ready to discover what they know that you don't? Welcome to a realm where business mastery reigns supreme, a world where conventional rules are rewritten and the stakes are sky high. Here, success isn't just measured in profits, but in the ability to navigate complex landscapes with ease and precision. In this series, we'll uncover the strategies and mindsets that have propelled the world's most successful business leaders to the top. Join us as we explore the hidden truths behind the billions and learn how you can apply these insights to your own journey. Let's take a closer look at Warren Buffett, often hailed as the Oracle of Omaha. His legendary investment strategy goes beyond mere numbers. It's deeply rooted in a profound understanding of human behavior and market psychology. Buffett's success isn't just about picking the right stocks. It's about knowing when to act and when to wait. His approach is a masterclass in patience and insight, qualities that have allowed him to navigate the financial world with unparalleled success. How does he do it? Let's explore. Buffett famously remarked, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient." This statement encapsulates a fundamental truth about investing and business strategy. It's not about being the busiest or the most aggressive player. It's about having the discipline to wait for the right moment. Patience, in Buffett's world, is not just a virtue but a strategic advantage. This mindset shift is what separates the masters from the rest. The psychology of patience is a crown jewel in the arsenal of business strategy. It is this ability to wait, to hold back, and to act only when the time is right that distinguishes the masters from the novices. Patience allows for strategic decision-making, where every move is calculated and deliberate. In a world that often values speed and immediacy, the power of patience can be a game changer, enabling you to see opportunities others might overlook. Yet patience alone isn't enough. The true masters also possess the ability to see opportunities where others see chaos. This skill involves looking beyond the surface, identifying potential in market fluctuations, and recognizing patterns that others might miss. It's about having a vision that extends beyond the immediate, allowing you to capitalize on trends before they become apparent to the masses. This foresight is a critical component of strategic thinking in business. So how can you incorporate these insights into your own life? Begin by cultivating patience in your daily decisions. This means resisting the urge for immediate gratification and instead focusing on long-term gains. By delaying gratification, you open yourself up to more strategic and rewarding opportunities. Patience isn't just a passive state. It's an active choice that can transform your approach to business and life. Next, train yourself to see beyond the immediate. Develop the skill of identifying patterns and trends that others might overlook. This involves staying informed, being curious, and constantly analyzing the world around you. By honing this ability, you can better anticipate changes and position yourself to take advantage of emerging opportunities. It's about seeing the bigger picture and understanding the forces that drive change. Finally, surround yourself with a network of mentors and peers who challenge and inspire you. Your network is your net worth, and having access to strategic thinkers can provide you with new perspectives and insights. These relationships can offer guidance, support, and opportunities that you might not find on your own. Building a strong network is an investment in your future, one that can pay dividends in countless ways. Let's recap the master strategies we've explored today. Cultivate patience, see beyond the immediate, and build a powerful network. These are not just tactics, but fundamental shifts in mindset that can transform your approach to business and life. By adopting these strategies, you can position yourself for success and navigate the complexities of the business world with confidence and clarity. Remember, business mastery isn't just about what you know, but how you think. It's about adopting a mindset that embraces patience, foresight, and strategic relationships. By shifting your perspective, you can unlock new levels of success and fulfillment. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and continue your journey towards mastering the art of business.